Hi everybody, it's Larry from MarineMax, and I'm here today to go over this 2024 Grady-White 235 Freedom. The Freedom is the dual console line. These boats share the same hulls as their offshore center consoles, so you're ensured a really smooth ride and great rough water handling capability. This boat's loaded with features. I'm going to get into it starting with this engine right here. This is a Yamaha 300 with the integrated electric steering and digital shift throttles, so everything is electronic, super easy to operate, extremely nimble handling at the dock as well. It's a great feature. I'm standing on the extended swim platform, which we've got on both the port and starboard side at the transom. It makes getting on and off this boat at the dock very easy. Also great for coming in off the sandbar. You've got a nice place to enter onto the boat and lots of room. And what also is a nice feature are the two storage compartments in the floor in the transom. Great for wet items, flip-flops, things like that, that you can easily get to while you're backed up to the sandbar as well. Coming into the cockpit, I wanted to show you we've got a freshwater pull-out washdown here, a shower. This boat's got a built-in freshwater tank. It also has a raw water washdown as well, in case you're fishing and you just want to use existing water that you're in. This boat's got a retractable ski pylon. We're going to take a look at that real quick. Get that out of the way and locked down. Super easy to operate. Great for pulling a tube or a skier. At the transom, we've got a couple of neat items here. You've got a fully insulated live well. What that means is that you can use it as a cooler when you're not fishing. It's an additional place for drinks and ice and whatnot. And then we've got the standard fish box over here, also fully insulated. You can use it as dry storage. It hoses right out, so unlike a lot of other boats that have pumps that have to pump out the fish boxes, this one just hoses out and drains overboard. One of the nice things about Grady too is they don't skimp on materials. This is a high quality boat, and you'll see stainless steel hinges and rams on all of their hatches, not plastic. Very important. As we move back into here for some seating, if we want to extend out the rear bench seat, we've got a nice comfortable place to sit. And what I like about the Grady is the backrest is ergonomically designed. It's at an angle, so it fits your back perfectly. You're not straight up and down. It makes a big difference when you're out on the water. Let's take a look at another neat feature over here. On the starboard side is our prep area with some cup holders. Great little place where you can prep sandwiches. And then you've got a freshwater sink underneath, which is a great item to have. Underneath, there's a Yeti cooler that comes with the boat that's on a slide-out tray, making it easy to get in and out of the cooler. Now, this boat comes with the companion seat on the port side that is electromagnetically controlled, and we're going to extend out this lounge. And what you'll see is you get nice L-shaped seating in the back and a rear-facing lounger. Let's take a look at that. All I have to do is hit a switch, extend out the seat, and now you've got this awesome lounger. And what's really interesting about this boat, when you compare it to other dual consoles, is we have dedicated forward-facing seating for your passengers on the port side, and dedicated rear-facing seating facing aft. So we're not having to share a backrest, and it makes it very comfortable for everybody on board. Let's take a look at the helm station over here. I'm going to get in there and show you how much room there is, but we've got plenty of space here for up to a 16-inch screen VHF radio. We've got a remote for the stereo control here, while the master stereo control is right over here on the port side. This little pocket here is great for an iPad, great place to put little items, phones, etc. And then when we get into the helm, we're going to take a look at this ergonomically designed helm with tilt steering, which gets you real comfortable. I'm a pretty big guy. I've got plenty of room in here. We've got your switches that are easy to access, your trim tabs, the digital throttle right here. And this helm seat, take a look at this. This has got some really nice, luxurious armrests and a flip down bolster. Extremely comfortable seat. This seat will turn, move forward and back. We can also adjust the height on it as well. Really neat feature on this boat. So what do we do with life jackets on a boat? Always a big question. Grady gives us this really convenient life jacket storage compartment up here in the hardtop. This way you have all the rest of the boat to utilize for other things that you don't necessarily have space for sometimes when you have life jackets everywhere. This is a big family feature. Look at the size of that head compartment with a full marine head. This boat has dockside pump out as well as overboard discharge. It's even got a neat little medicine chest right here. Put in your sunscreen, prescription pain medication, whatever you might need. Alcohol is always a good option to put in the medicine cabinet. We're going to move forward here. Check out this bow area. You've got really comfortable seating. Again, ergonomically correct backrest that you lean into. There's plenty of room up here to stretch out. This boat's got a windlass up front with a stainless steel anchor. Makes anchoring at the sandbar a breeze. Just press some buttons, you're in and out. Underneath, we've got more insulated storage. This can be dry storage, this can be a fish box, it can be a cooler, whatever you need. Again, you'll see the nice stainless steel gas shocks on all the hatches on a Grady-White. Very high quality boat. And if you need more storage, we're going to open this up with the handy dandy Grady-White keys. We've got more storage underneath the helm area with tackle boxes included, so you can see we've got plenty of space for all your gear. We've got a door that slides open here to cover the walkway. The windshield closes, you're out of the weather. You've got great protection on this boat. You can get the available front and side curtains as well, keep the weather out. And as a Grady owner, I can tell you, you're getting the best of the best. They're known for their ride with their patented SV2 hull, which gives you the softest ride in the monohull anywhere on the planet. Give us a call at 904-545-5310, and let's get you out on a sea trial on this Grady-White 235 Freedom. Thank you.